What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Daily Car Guy. I'm your host, Thomas. I'm gonna go to the garage, grab some stuff, and we're gonna be moving. I made it to the workshop, got the car pulled up just in front of the gate because there's no space inside to work on it. I'm gonna work outside today, just a little welding. I wanna be getting those string pieces. On both sides, all welded shut, so I have a nice clean door. So, gonna unload the car, get the battery disconnected, and we're gonna start this job.
Do you remember when we used to run away through the night? There is a story about us two, and it's written about me and you. Nothing can bring us down, 'cause we are together now. Not even time can stop us now, 'cause we are forever young. 'Cause we are together now. 'Cause we are together now. sun. There is a place where I wanna go, where it all started a long time ago. I remember the days when it all comes back to me. Every time I go to sleep, you're lying next to me. 'Cause we are together now. 'Cause we are together now. Nothing can bring us down. 'Cause we are together now. Not even time can stop us now. 'Cause we are forever young. 'Cause we are together now. Nothing can bring us down. 'Cause we are together now. 'Cause we are together now. Nothing can bring us down. 'Cause we are together now. Not even time can stop us now. 'Cause we are forever young.
Almost free, and I'll never let it go. Yeah, just a few more chains and I'll get away. Just a few more things I gotta get out my way. Nah, I'm never turning back. I know it sounds so bad, but baby, I'm fired up. So hot, I'm really burning. I feel the future getting brighter. I feel the future getting brighter. Baby, I'm fired up. Baby, I'm fired up.
Finally got some peace here. Noise is over, so I'm gonna try to film a little of the putty work. Well, the putty work is finished, but I'm gonna try and film some of the sanding. So I'm gonna set up the camera and let's go. So this is how far I've gotten today. It's looking pretty neat, but I'm gonna call it a day. Gonna go home, eat something. Gotta go to work early in the morning. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow. So next day. Today we're gonna do the same, except the other side. Finish up the passenger side. Got everything cleaned up. All my welding pieces fitted. Also cleaned up. I'm ready to weld them in. I'm still busy with the putty and sanding works, but wanted to come to you to give you a small update to show you how it's going. So let's go and have a look at the car. Hey guys, coming at you from inside the car. Just drove home. During the ride I was thinking about maybe making this video a two-part video, because it goes on a long time right now. It's been the second day working on the car to just finish the side trims. Try to finish tomorrow, but I doubt I will finish tomorrow, so maybe the day after. But it's gonna be a two-part, you're gonna see it finish. For now, comment, please like, subscribe if you like the footage, and if you wanna be sure to see when I upload, hit the notification bell below, right next to the subscribe button. I'm out.